How to export text to audio in CapCut PC. For that purpose, head over to your CapCut homepage onto your PC, and from right there into your timeline section, what you're going to do is you're going to select the media from the media pool. I'm selecting this beautiful beach image right here, and then I'm going to head over to the text section, and from here I'm going to be selecting the default text option. I'm going to simply add that as well with my video onto my timeline. Now from right here, we are going to add a text that says, I love the waves catching. I love the waves, or we're just going to simply write down, I love the waves crashing down into the ocean shore. Now that this is done, what we're going to do is we're going to head over to the text to speech section. Now from here, what we're going to do is basically we can select the different voices that they offer us to add in the audio. So I can select from storyteller male, a peaceful male, an American accent male, a confident male, a charming male. So I'm just going to simply apply this one, and it's applying the text to the speech. Next up, what we're going to do is we're going to listen it out and see if this matches. I absolutely like how this is going. You can see it's playing itself out. Now, next, what I'm going to do is I am going to simply head over to the export section. So from here, we're heading over to the export section, and right here, this is pretty easy. It's this blue greenish button right here on the top of the screen that says export. I'm going to click here for a quick export. Now right here, what we're going to do is we're going to deselect the video exporting option. We've deselected that, and we're going to select the export audio only. We're going to make sure that its format is MP3, and once all of that is done, what we are going to do is we're going to simply hit export. We're going to make sure that you have selected export audio and deselected video exporting, right? Now, this is a very quick, easy, and simple way for you to be exporting only the audio. Right here, you can see it's just in an MP3 file. I'm simply going to click on export now.